We offer two types of mounting for your LED letters. Use individual letters for acrylic, wooden, or metal walls where wires can be hidden. Or choose the channel mount for concrete walls with no space behind the wall to hide wires. We will start with the individual letter installation first. Inside the box, you'll find your letters, bolts, wires, and adapter, all ready for setup. First, measure your wall and your letters to decide the placement and spacing. Make sure they're centered and evenly spaced. Check the back of each letter to locate the screws and wiring points. Place the letters on the wall and mark each drill point based on the back layout. Drill holes at the marked spots for both mounting and wiring. Mount each letter securely using the provided screws. Peel the common wire at intervals to expose the inner wires. Connect the white wire to black and the gray wire to red on each letter. Now connect the final wire set to the adapter. Plug in the adapter, switch it on, and enjoy the glow. We will now show you the channel mount installation. The channel mount comes ready letters already fixed and wired. Hold the channel at the desired height. Use a measuring tape to level it from both sides. Fix the channel securely to the wall using screws. Plug it in. Switch it on. Whichever option you choose, setup is simple, and the results are stunning. Light up your space with LED letters.